7.4 kilometers, and the velocity was nearly 140. So the Vikram lander has successfully completed the rough braking phase, and now we have entered the next phase of operation, which is the absolute navigating the announcement for completing yes. The rough braking phase has been successfully completed, and we have entered the next phase of braking operation, which is the fine braking start, which is going to basically commence from 5 kilometer altitude, and this particular operation is going to last for nearly 96 seconds, wherein the Vikram lander will be reaching an altitude of just 400 meters above the landing site for initiating the vertical descent operations. So we are almost 11 minutes vehicle to reach an altitude of almost 400 meters, and the velocity right now, if you look at the plot, we have the Vikram lander has a horizontal velocity of nearly 48 meters and vertical velocity of 60. The spacecraft, as we see on the screen, is showing the horizontal and vertical velocity of nearly 48 and 59 meter per second.
थोड़े से क्षण जहाँ पे हमें आंकड़ों की प्राप्ति के लिए इंतज़ार करना पड़ रहा है, जैसे ये आंकड़े प्राप्त होते हैं हम आप तक पहुँचाने की कोशिश करेंगे।
View of the Mission Control Center.
सभी के चेहरों पर थोड़े तनाव के क्षण, शायद आंकड़ों की निश्चितता के लिए हमें थोड़ी प्रतीक्षा करनी पड़ेगी।
Once we have the updates from the mission control room,
That's affirmative. We are not receiving from Maharashtra or
जब तक आंकड़े सामने नहीं आ जाते कुछ कहना मुश्किल है।